So this morning's Off the Shelf book comes from a PR manager who can now add author to her title. After releasing her book titled Little Black Girl, it looks at positive affirmations and self-love for our young girls. Here to tell us more is the author herself, Suzanne Smith. Hey, Suzanne, morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Hi, Dahlia. Thanks for having me.
It's awesome to have you. Little Black Girl. Tell me about the
Yes.
inspiration behind this.
Well, I when I was growing up, I had some experience with colorism, as a dark-skinned girl.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember a couple of years ago, I did an interview about said experience. And I said to myself that I wish I had literature like this when I was growing up to read, to encourage me, to love myself just the way I am. And I said to myself, why don't I create, said literature? And Little Black Girl is as a result.
Yeah. It's centuries of hearing things about blackness and negative things about blackness that we are now
Right.
trying to counter in this contemporary age. So what are some of the things that you felt it was important to raise to a little black girl? Things you felt she would hear and say, yes, this is positive about me.
Well, um, Little Black Girl essentially is a poem
Ah,
that I made into a book.
mm-hmm,
And it encourages especially self-love,
mm-hmm,
expressing gratitude, and is building confidence overall in dark-skinned girls.
mm-hmm.
I mean, building confidence is something that goes right across the board, of
Right.
course. But I especially wanted to do something for, little girls like me when I was growing up.
Mm-hmm.
And so in addition to the poem, I included 10 affirmations. And these are positive statements that, the little girls, little black girls can practice with their parents. They can look in the mirror and say, I am beautiful just the way I am. I am confident. It is enough to be me.
Mm-hmm. I like the illustrations. We saw some of them there a while ago. When you said with her head high, you literally could see that she was so proud of who she was. Are you hoping that this is what it will do, along with the affirmations, and that the parents are part of the process, teachers, all the people that come in contact with little black girls will continue to reinforce in them just how beautiful they are?
Yes, that's
Yeah.
exactly what I hope will come, as a result of this book. I'm
Yes.
hoping it, as I said before, encourages dark-skinned girls to
Yeah.
just appreciate themselves and know that they are phenomenal.
Hmm. What age group is the language simple enough for children? I guess 5 years and older, 5 years, 3 years.
5 years and older. It's a book that parents will start off reading to their kids,
Okay,
and so over time, they can start reading themselves.
okay. And because they're
Mhm.
affirmations, it means I don't have to read through the book one time. I can pick an affirmation a day or a week, or how would you like parents to engage with the book?
Right.
Yeah.
However,
However they want to engage, that's fine.
mhm,
All right. Tell me about the process. How long did it take for you to
well,
get it
it
done?
has certainly been a journey, Delia. Honestly, this took me a couple of years, about 3 to 4 years. I
Wow.
wrote this about 3 years ago, but I had so many challenges to get it done. One of the
Hmm.
major challenge was getting an illustrator. This is my third illustrator,
Wow.
Micah Goldsmith. I have to give him, a big shout out because he did such an amazing job.
He's Jamaican?
Yes, he's Jamaican.
Big him up again for me, please.
Of course,
Micah,
big up
his name
Micah
is.
Goldsmith.
Mm-hmm.
You did such an amazing job with the illustrations, and also have a couple of things that we're working on as well.
Mm-hmm.
So you guys can look out for more books of this nature that will instill confidence, learning about the different emotions, just having fun and just building well-rounded children overall.
Yeah. Yeah. I like that it not only um, it's a call to action. That's what I want to
Hmm.
say. that it just doesn't say, you're beautiful. It says you're beautiful, but this is what you do. Hold your head up high. Keep trying. So it's a call to action to little black girls as they navigate themselves and the confidence that they need in a world that's not always as positive towards our skin color. Suzanne, thank you so much. Where can we find it?
Thank you so much for having me as well. You can find it. It's on Amazon now. I have a shipment that is coming in soon.
Okay.
So anybody who wants to make an order can always call me at 995-1211 or email authorsusansmith@gmail.com. But you can go, it's on Amazon, it's on Kindle, and it's going to be on Audible soon.
Yeah. Listen, it says, little black girl with braids in your hair, you are beautiful beyond compare. That's how I want to wrap this up. Thank you, Suzanne, for this great work. Suzanne Smith, PR manager and author of Little Black Girl. That's us, guys. On the other side of the break, All Angle Investigates will soon come.